Hey guys, welcome to Living Survival. In this video today we're going to talk about the Benchmade Mini Griptilian. Another great folding knife for left-handed people. I got some comments on why I left this out of my previous video where I went over 5 affordable folding knives for left-handers, and that's just the reason why. Because I consider affordable to be in the $30 to $50 price range, and this one's going to run you about double that, right around $100. So I wanted to give it its own review because it is a great knife and a very popular knife for right and left-handed people. Overall length is 6.78 inches, with the blade length being 2.91 inches. It is 154 cm, so great steel. Most of Benchmade's, if not all, are that steel. It's got a modified drop point with a flat grind, and again with the black finish that I like. It's got what Benchmade calls their Valox grips, and they are very, very grippy. It grips into your hand really well. It's got stainless steel liners, and it is an axis lock, which is what Benchmade uses on a lot of their knives, making them more ambidextrous for left and right handers. Blade seats really nicely. There's really no play there at all, and also has a bulletproof lockup. So the axis lock works by sliding over a groove in the blade. As you can see, as it opens, it slides over and locks it into place. Just like that. It's got the awesome Benchmade logo on it, and the design by Mel on the other side. It's held together by Torx fasteners. Be another look at some of that. And it's just super grippy. Combine that with all the jimping and the ridges on the grips, gives you a very confident grip. This blade does have an ambidextrous thumb stud, and you can also put the pocket clip on the left or right side, tip up. It does have some jimping on the liners here, as well as on some ridges here on the back of the grips, as well as a little bit of jimping here behind the thumb stud. The liners also have jimping on the underside, and again with a little bit of that raised bumps on the grips themselves, kind of all over the knife, making this a knife that fits great in your hand. It feels really good. It's really lightweight. It only weighs 2.56 ounces. So it's a great everyday carry knife, making it one of the most popular everyday carry knives. It's got a squared off spine, a nice deep pocket clip. It also has a hole for a lanyard. So let's do a cut test here on some newspaper. No problem. Got some strapping material. Cuts do that with ease. Move on to some larger strapping. No problem. Now you can get this in a bunch of different blade styles, and you can also get serrated or non-serrated, coated or non-coated. Some cordage, no problem. Let's also do some of this thick tubing. Handles cardboard, no problem. Then we got some plastic material here. And it will easily cut open all your clamshell. With ease. So let's take a look at how it does cutting some wood. No problem. So I really enjoy using this knife, and I really enjoy carrying this knife. It's nice and light. It's got a good quality blade that's going to hold up. Cuts through just about anything, and will definitely handle all your EDC tasks. Great option for lefties with the Ambidextrous thumb stud, the axis lock, and the reversible pocket clip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments below, and subscribe for more videos.